Okay, so today's lesson is 10.7, Notes, 3D Figures. So a polyhedron is a three-dimensional figure with flat surface called faces that are polygons. So faces are your empty space, remember from Friday's lesson. Okay, edges, where two faces meet. Remember your edges were your toothpicks. Or on the drawings it would be your lines. Vertex is the point in which three or more edges meet. Remember, vertex was your marshmallows, or it could be your corners. Okay, a cube is a 6 congruent square faces. So a cube, if you look at this, has top and bottom, front and back, and 2 sides. That would be your 6 faces. Vertices are your lines. Remember, these are your toothpicks. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. Back has the same. Okay, if I drew this, you could see this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then be 9. Oh no, that's right, 8. So it'll be 8 vertices because I already counted them all. And then 12 edges. Oh, vertices are your marshmallows. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, those are your corners, and then your edges are your lines. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Prisms are 2 congruent parallel lines. Parallel bases are polygons. Remaining faces are your rectangles. So your faces are, your top and bottom are the same. So your faces would be here, would be your rectangular because it's shaped of a square or a rectangle. This would be a triangular because the faces, the 2 parallel bases forms a triangle, so this would be a triangular prism. A pyramid is one base that is a polygon, so this would right here is your base. Okay, and the remaining faces are your triangles, so this would be a rectangular pyramid, and this base right here is a triangular because it makes a triangle. A cylinder is 2 parallel congruent bases that are circles. So here the bases are circles. They are not a polyhedron. Okay, so this is considered a cylinder, but they are not considered a polyhedron. A pyramid and a prism are considered polyhedrons. A cone is one base that is a circle. The surface comes to a point. So a cone has a circle at the base, and it comes to a point at the top. So it says identify the faces, vertices, and edges. Remember, your faces are your empty space. Your vertices are your corners, and your edges are your lines. Okay, so looking at your faces, you have your front and back, that's 1, 2, top and bottom 3, 4, and your sides 5, 6. So 6 faces. Edges are your lines. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You notice that I highlight my lines so that I can count them. And then here, with a different one, I will do my edges. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my edges are, edges are 12, vertices are 8. Okay. Try the same thing for number 2 and 3. Count the faces, edges, and vertices. First of all, you need to tell me, is this a pyramid or a prism? Hopefully you said that because the top and bottom are the same, and it doesn't come to a point that you know this is a prism. So this would be a triangular prism. And at the top, this one would be a rectangular prism. Okay, so here faces, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'll be 5 faces. And then edges are your lines. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 edges. And vertices are your corners. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it'll be 6 vertices. Okay, and then last one, your faces have top. This, first of all, naming the shape would be, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be a pentagonal prism. Okay, so here faces be top and bottom is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 faces. My edges are my lines. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 edges. And vertices is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 vertices. Now for prism, from our lab on Friday, I was hoping that you would recognize there is a pattern to this. So let's go back to number 1. For prisms, here's your pattern. Rectangular. How many sides of rectangular edges does a rectangle have? Well, rectangle has 4. Okay, so to get faces, let's look at this. We added 2. To get edges, you multiplied by 3. To get vertices, you multiplied by 2. So now let's see if that worked for number 2. Faces. Well, triangular means it's got 3 sides. We said that you add 2 to the faces. You multiplied by 3 to get edges. And we get 9, yes. And then we said you multiplied by 2 to get vertices. 3 times 2 equals 6. And that works out. So if you know the pattern, so plus 2 times 3 times 2 for plus 2 for faces times 3 for edges and times 2 for vertices, then all prisms, if you know the beginning, you can figure out what faces, edges, and vertices are without having to count everything.